pruning time in the roses. It's spring, it's March, and it's St. Patrick, you know, in the middle of March, and you have to prune the roses. So easy like that. So here we go guys. Pruning time. Here we go with the roses. You have to prune them around St. Patrick's Day in the spring, you know, around in the middle of March. And my dreads is all over. But you see all the shootings here. Here is a very nice shooting. So we leave that one and cut all this way. Look that. So all this I took away. And here is a very nice top shoot. So it's a good. Now is this. These roses are very young, so I don't want to be too hard. Here you see a nice top shoot. There it's coming, and there is. I leave that. See all around here. Take it there. I don't want to be too tough to them because it's young plants, and I think it's enough now. But when you do the pruning, you made the roots procentual. The percent in percent, the roots is bigger, so it's more power for the plant, and the roots are bigger. So that's an important point to pruning. Hi. So that was that one. We go over to the other plants here, other roses, all over here. Here is one. And what you always can do, take away the dead ones. Here is dead ones, you know. But look after where is the lovely shooting. Yeah, here we save that one. It's nice there. Here you have. There is a shooting down here. That's very good. Oh, that come away. Here is, yeah, we can leave this one. It's a good one. Bang boom. See? Here, yeah. Leave this one. There. Here you see, this one is big and juicy. As we used to say, Lyn and I. Juicy stuff. This was juicy. So we saved that one. Here we can just take the top here. There, yeah. Go over here, yeah, there we see. Let's see here. Here we can take this first. There, this was. Here is, go down here. There we take it, yeah. So rinse out the dead parts. It's good, yeah. We save this one, yeah, take away that. And there we have, so let's see, it goes in there, yeah. I'll take this first. Here is a good shoot. There is a good shoot, yeah. So we save that one, this one. Yeah, that's good. Here is a big one. Save that one. Here is dead parts. So we, I think we take it down there. Yeah, that was good. Here, let's see. Yeah, I think we take it there. Yeah, there we have it. That was that, I think, on this plant. Yeah, finished now. we are here. Yeah, take it there. There we have it. That was all. Done with that one. Now we have this triple bush here. We have 3 different colors here. And this is really a mini rose. So it's louse on it. I don't like that. Take away. Here we see. Yeah. Let's see. Siglidi. There's a shoot. There, yeah. Here. There. Over here. Yeah, we can save that one. So. There. What's here? Yeah. There we have. Good. There. Yes. And you shall even look for that the branches go out from the bush, not into the bush, because you have to look for that the air and the light will come in to the bush, because the air is the air and the light is very important for every plant, even for roses. You know. So here we can take more. Does it look here? Yeah, there's a shooting. Here. This is mini roses, you know, so it's not so much to do, but even if it's mini roses, you have to prune them. So, alright, that was this in this little garden. That was how to easily prune young roses, and it's very important that you know that when you prune a plant, you made the root system percentually bigger, and the root system is very important for the plant, you know. So hope you liked the video and how to pruning. There we go. Thank you for watching, and thank you, Lyn, for filming. Yeah, and go over to Lyn's channel, there's a Plants of Avalon, and check her work with the videos and plants and all that. It's an amazing channel. So thank you for watching.